Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going for this very simple yet festive or Indian party appropriate look. Please stick around if you want to know how to get this look, or maybe if you just want to enjoy the process. Okay, so starting with skincare, I'm using Good Vibes Saffron Day Cream to moisturize my face. I will massage this into my skin. It is really important to prep your face really well before makeup. Then I'm using Derm Doc Under Eye Serum. Before concealer, I highly recommend to moisturize your under eyes really well. And for lips, I'm using Vaseline Lip Balm. For primer, I'm using L'Oreal Base Magic Primer. I'm applying this all over the face, targeting the area where I have pores. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. I'm taking this down to my neck as well, and then using this beauty sponge to blend this foundation. This foundation works really great. It is a medium coverage foundation and you can build it up easily. For concealer, I'm using Swiss Beauty Concealer and applying this to my under eyes. This is a really great concealer and it is a full coverage concealer. You should definitely try this out, and considering the price, it is the best in the market as of now. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer to highlight my face, applying this to the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, forehead and chin, then blending it there and not dragging it. Then I'm using Miss Claire blush and contour palette. I'm taking this small brush and contouring my nose with it. I'm taking this into my eyebrows so that it won't look like two separate lines. Then I'm using it around my lips to give a shadow and make it look fuller, and my brush has almost no product, so just using whatever is left in it. Then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Compact Powder and applying specially on the places where I have concealer and pushing this into my skin. Blending the nose contour with my fingers, and with whatever is left on the sponge, I will apply all over the face. Then I'm using blush from the same Miss Claire palette, and just to remind you in between, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will only take a second from you, but it will make my day or maybe days. Okay, so now I'm taking the contour shade again and using this on my jawline to hide my double chin. Taking this onto my forehead so that it looks even. Now I'm taking Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer and I will spritz it all over my face. It will lock your makeup and merge everything together and also soaks up the powderiness. Then I'm taking a beauty sponge and lightly dabbing it. To start with eyeshadow, I'm applying concealer on the eyelid and then using the same compact powder. Okay, first I'm taking this dark brown shade from W7 eyeshadow palette. Ensure you dust off the product and I'm applying on the crease. We should always build dark colors slowly, otherwise the eyeshadow becomes patchy. Then I'm taking this shade which is slightly lighter than the previous shade, and I'm using a very light hand and using the same brush with light circular motion. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm taking this light shade and then just applying all over the crease, blending everything together. You have to keep blending it until you get a nice ombre effect. Now I'm taking the first shade again and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. We have to keep moving our brush until it gets blended seamlessly. Then I'm using Nicka K Under the Sea eyeshadow palette and I'm taking this shade and mixing it with the dark brown color on the outer corners. Then I'm taking this flat brush and I'm using this Makeup Revolution concealer, taking concealer on the brush, and first I will apply near my lash line and open my eyes. It basically gives us the idea where this concealer should end. Then I'm using this sea green shade again and applying where my concealer ends to blend the edges. Then I'm using this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette and using this golden shade and I'm applying where we have concealer. Then again I'm taking this fluffy brush and using this lighter brown shade and swirling it over my crease to blend all of this together. Then for the lower lash line, first I'm taking this dark brown shade and then just blending it with the light color. Then I'm using Nykaa Brow Point Microfine Eyebrow Pencil and I'm applying it where I think I have sparse areas. Then I will use the spoolie again. Then I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal and highlight all the high planes of my face and under my eyebrows as well. Then I'm using Stay Quirky Ka Kajal and then just blending it with the same brush. To line my lips, I'm using ADS Pro Lip Liner in the shade Sandy Pink, and to finish the look, I'm using Swiss Beauty Ultra Matte Smooth Liquid Lipstick in the shade Real Nude and topping it with the shade Sizzling. And here we go. Okay, so this is the complete makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting many fun looks and interesting videos, so stay tuned and take care. Bye.